This bathroom is a little bit daggy and a little bit dated, and it could do with a full renovation. But of course that will cost about $15,000 to $25,000 depending on the fittings and fixtures that we choose. I've had a good look around the space. The tiles are in really good condition. The bath is a metal white enamel bath in perfect nick. There are a couple of issues in this room though. The vanity, it's dated and it's a little bit damaged over time. And as far as storage, well, it's a pretty big vanity, but there's still obviously not enough. It looks like the large mirror's been moved to the side. The line of the mirrors is right at the sink. And this mirror cabinet's been added, but it's so small and pokey. The color scheme is white and black. And although the scheme might not be the most current, I can add many colors to it in the decor and accessories. So it's time to give this bathroom a renovation. As you can see, the mirror cabinet is gone. Now we're taking off the big mirror next to it. This transformation has already begun. So we've come across a big hole in the wall. This is the fun of renovation. It looks to me like it might have been originally a window, or maybe there was a cabinet inside before that part of the house was added onto. So now we have to get a little bit creative. I've just been chatting with Mickey. He's actually come up with a really good idea. We're going to make sure that the vanity and the mirror are in place, and then deal with another mirror here that we're going to cut to size to fill this whole wall. It's going to bounce all of the light from the skylight and make the room feel bigger. Solution found. That's the end of day one, and already the bathroom is looking larger and brighter. A big reason for that over here was the shower screen with the tinted glass. That instantly made the room feel much smaller. The new shower screen's not there, that's coming in tomorrow. We've also added a lot of contrast. The new tapware in matte black picks up the black detailing on the floor and that beautiful fine line around the room. Plus, there was already a black soap holder in the wall, so it was the perfect go-to color. In the shower, there was a rack that was hanging on the side of the screen. Now there's a nice metal shelf, a nice clean look, but still plenty of accessible storage. The vanity. We've got this beautiful wide, 1200 wide vanity with beautiful big deep drawers, so plenty of storage inside. And instead of that pokey little rattly mirror cabinet, now we've got 3 doors on top. Again, plenty of storage. But as with any renovation, there are sometimes little surprises, and we definitely found one here with this huge hole in the wall behind the other mirror. That's why those mirrors didn't look right in the first place. They were hiding something. We're going to add one long mirror here to the side, which will cover that gap, and this room will be spick and span. Well, this cosmetic renovation is almost complete. The new tapware has gone in and it looks a treat, really picking up the existing black details in the tiles and that line running around the room. The new vanity provides lots of bench space plus storage. Of course, one of the fun things about renovation is those little surprises. So our solution here was an additional mirror. Running it from the top of the mirror cabinet almost to the floor provides a great space to check yourself out and bounces around all of that natural light. As you can see, the new shower screen works a treat. The clear glass really opens up this room, and that black line with all of the black details and the tapware and accessories just punch so well against the white tiles. Now it's time to get into some styling. So what do you think? So that's the door closed on a successful bathroom renovation. This room was tired and drab, and now it's bright, fresh, and very inviting. Look at your own bathroom. Is it looking tired? Well, hopefully some of these ideas will inspire you and you can transform your own bathroom for the fraction of a cost of a brand new one.